Eden Park campsite, managed and run by KZN Wildlife. Bookings can be done through the Pietermaritzburg offices on kznwildlife.com. This is a very popular jetty for fishing. People get some grunter. Salmon that's been caught from here has to be returned. No salmon out of the estuary is allowed to be kept since the estuary mouth is closed at the moment. This is a temporary measure. We hope that the condition will change as soon as the mouth is open again. We don't know when the mouth is going to be open again. We need lots more rain for the wetlands to be saturated before the mouth will naturally open again. Local resident bushbuck sharing campsite number 90 with the residents in Sugarloaf Camp, St. Lucia Estuary, Isimangasiliso wetlands. One of the nice things camping in St. Lucia in Sugarloaf Camp is sharing your campsite with your local neighbors. Here is a bushbuck sharing the campsite with the residents of number 90 Sugarloaf Campsite, St. Lucia.